Thinking about solar roofing for your home? It's honestly one of the smartest moves you can make right now. So, here's the deal. Solar roofing isn't just about slapping panels on your roof and hoping for the best. You want to make sure you get the right setup that actually saves you money and energy. First off, check how much sunlight your roof gets. South-facing roofs usually kill it. Next, think about your energy needs. Don't go too big or too small. Size matters here. Get a few quotes from different companies to compare prices and warranties, because not all solar roofing installers are created equal. Also, ask about the maintenance. Solar roofs are pretty low maintenance, but you still want to know what to expect. Don't forget to look into local incentives or tax credits. They can seriously cut costs. If you're renting or planning to move soon, weigh if solar roofing makes sense financially for you. Lastly, think about how solar roofing impacts your home value. Most folks see it as a big plus. One of the biggest mistakes people make with solar roofing is not checking their roof's condition first. If your roof is old or damaged, installing solar panels can be a waste. You might have to redo everything sooner than later. Fix this by getting a professional roof inspection before you commit. Another common issue is overestimating how much energy you'll save. Not every home is the perfect fit for solar roofing, so be realistic about your usage and sunlight exposure. To avoid this, track your energy bills and talk to experts who can provide accurate estimates. Lastly, a lot of folks don't research installers enough and end up with poor workmanship or hidden fees. Always read reviews and ask for references to find trustworthy solar roofing contractors. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who know their stuff when it comes to solar roofing and other home improvements. It also gives contractors a solid way to connect with people who actually need their skills, so everyone wins.